G'day, how you doing? I spent a night in Sydney, and lucky for me the timing coincided with the mesmerising spectacle of the Sydney Vivid Light Show. As night falls, the city transforms into a canvas of brilliant light artistry. The iconic Sydney Opera House is adorned with vibrant, pulsating patterns, a testament to the ingenuity of human creativity. As I journey around the harbour, you can see the Harbour Bridge, a symbol of Sydney, shining brightly against the night sky, a beacon of unity and celebration. This is more than just a light show. It is a testament to the power of art, technology and imagination. I highly recommend it if you have the opportunity to get to Sydney and experience the atmosphere and celebrations every June.